YouTube niche ideas to start in 2022? Starting a YouTube channel is chosen as a career by many people nowadays. And most of them want to make money online without showing their face. But are there any niche ideas that will work without showing your face? If you stumble upon this question, then you will definitely love this video. You don't have to be an expert in any field. You just need to work smart on your video content creation. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel to learn about making money online. It's free. Make sure you watch the last one as it is the easiest of all. Number 1. Compilation videos. These are the videos, where you add a collection of videos in one video and upload it to your channel. Select a niche, for example, a compilation of funny animal moments or funny babies compilation videos. Use videos of Creative Commons license, otherwise you will get a copyright strike on your video. To find a Creative Commons licensed video, go to YouTube search and search for a video related to the content you're making. Click on the filters option and then click on Creative Commons. Select a video you want and copy its URL. Download videos you want from this website, by pasting the video URL here and clicking on the download button. Download a few videos, add them together, and your video is ready. You can also make a short video from these. Just make sure your content is entertaining to the audience. Number 2. Tutorial videos. If you learned a skill, you can teach others about it. You can make a video about your experience of learning a skill and avoiding a mistake you made when learning. You can record your audio for explaining the video, or use the text-to-speech tool. Or if you're looking for a video editing tool with text-to-speech feature, then Invideo is the best tool. I've made a separate video on Invideo. Click on the top right corner to watch that video. Whether you're good at coding, or you have a piece of good knowledge about bodybuilding, make a quality video that teaches the audience about that skill. Just make creative content that is informative to the audience. Number 3. Movie scenes niche. This is by far one of the easiest and most money-making YouTube niches ideas I've ever seen on YouTube. What you need to do is get an amazing scene from a movie and create a video from it, and then upload it to your channel. Upload a movie scene only if that movie is released, or make use of Creative Commons videos. Just make sure you add some intro animation to your video about your channel or show your channel logo with some animation. You can also take a movie scene with more duration, and upload it in 2 parts to hook your audience. A simple strategy to get more views. Have a look at the Flashback FM YouTube channel for reference. The most important part of YouTube is quality content and search engine optimization. Focus on them and be consistent in uploading the videos. So, which idea will you start with? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.